What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make super crispy chicken thighs in a cast iron pan. So, cheers and let's cook. I got my oven preheating to 400 degrees. Before I go to the stove, I'm just going to season each of these chicken thighs, some salt, some black pepper. I'm going to season both sides of those guys. We are ready to go start playing with some fire. Got a nice big cast iron pan getting hot. To that, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil. Just give that oil a second to heat up. Got that over high heat. That oil is getting nice and hot. I'm going to go with my chicken thighs, starting skin side down. We're going to cook those without touching them and moving them around for a couple minutes and let that skin start to brown up real nice for us. Yeah, let those go for 5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over. You got some nice color. Now I'm going to stick my oven thermometer into the center of one. I have it set to 160 degrees. I'm going to go into a 400 degree oven. Our thighs just hit 160 degrees. Now I'm going to take them and transfer them to a plate with a paper towel and let those rest for about 5 minutes. That carryover heat is going to bring those chicken thighs up to 165 degrees, so they will be fully cooked and nice and juicy. While those rest, I thought, let's make a little Dijon cream sauce. Poured out a little of that extra liquid that was in the pan. Left some of that oil. Now I'm just going to go in with about a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Next we're going with half a shallot minced, as well as 1 clove of garlic minced. Just saute those until they start to get nice and soft. That's good. We just gave that about a minute. I'm going with 1 teaspoon of some chopped up rosemary. Just give that a second to let the oil start coming out. Get a lot of that flavor in there. Now we're going to deglaze our pan with some white wine. About a 1/4 cup. Let that cook, let that alcohol burn off. Probably not even a 1/4 cup, maybe an 1/8 cup. I'm going to turn my heat up. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of heavy cream. As well as a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A tablespoon of whole grain mustard. And of course we'll season that all, a little salt and a little pepper. I'm just going to let that simmer. Stir it, let that thicken up a little bit. Alright, that just took a couple minutes. It's getting nice and thick for us. Look at how it coats that real nicely. I'm just going to turn my heat off now. I'll add my chicken thighs back into that pan. I'm going to serve it just like that. We got some crispy chicken thighs here with a nice quick little pan sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.